What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage, and today we're changing the brake light bulb on a 2012-2013 Kia Soul. This job is so easy that even this 16-year-old girl could do it. We're going to have her do it today. All you need is a screwdriver and a new tail light or a brake light bulb. So anyways, I'm going to show you what bulb is missing. So we're going to have Hannah go step inside the car and push the brakes. Alrighty, so you got a brake light on the left, but none on the right. So we're going to be changing this bulb right here. So let's go ahead, cut to it, and have Hannah put this dang brake light bulb in.
So the first thing we need to do is open the trunk, and then we have the 2357 bulb, and here's the screwdriver. You're gonna use the star one that looks like a star.
That would be called a Phillips.
Okay.
And our part number for the brake light bulbs is 2357.
Okay, so you're going to start by taking off these 3 screws right here. You can see those inside. It's in between the trunk and the tail light. There we go.
So we'll go ahead and start by removing those.
Okay, and then, okay, so these 3 areas, this is the first bulb, second, and then the third, and you just need to, which one's missing?
The bottom one.
Okay.
So we're going to be changing the bottom one here.
Yeah, and then how do you take this
So
off?
twist it.
Well, okay, so then you're just going to twist it to get it out, and here you can see there's the little light that is dead, so you're just going to take that off.
If you want to make it easier, you can pop this
That's what I was saying.
off and take the whole bulb out. So now you can take the whole assembly off.
Okay. So I'm just gonna set this in the trunk, and then as you can see, when you unscrew, you have this little light bulb. And then how do you take this off? I don't know how.
Twist the bulb.
Oh. And then just pop it out. So it's not that hard. Then you're gonna take, like I said, the 2357 light bulbs and just replace it. It's really not hard. It takes like 5 minutes. And there you go. Okay, so then same thing. You're just gonna put it back where it was and screw it back on in the opposite direction that you took it off.
Well,
This is the sound. Alright, so once that's back in place, you're just going to take your screws. Make sure you don't lose these.
did you forget to do something?
No. Oh! I did. Okay. Let me pop this back off. So there's this little light here. You can take it off to make it easier to get the bulb in.
Or a plug?
A plug. Same thing. Okay. So then, just put that back in. Alright, once it clicks, it's in. Pretty sure. Okay. So now that that's done, just take the 3 screws, don't lose these, or you're not going to be able to put it back on, and then just put them back in, and you're pretty much finished. Okay.
Alright, keep them down, and we got one bulb lit up here, and we are good to go. Perfect.
Okay guys, so we finished this brake light video. It's super easy, as you can see. It takes like 5 minutes, that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the 5150 Gringo Garage, and yeah, that's all. Bye.